Start by selecting the cells you want to merge. If you want the text to appear centered across the selected cells, choose Merge and Center. This combines all selected cells into one and places the text neatly in the middle, which is ideal for table headers. If you want to merge cells without centering the text, use the option Merge Cells instead. This joins the cells but keeps the existing text alignment. When you need to merge cells horizontally across rows, select the area and choose Merge Across. This creates wider rows, which is useful for adding notes or comments. If you need to undo a merge, select the merged area and click Unmerge Cells. The cells will return to their original state and become separate again. One important tip to remember is to merge cells only when they are empty or contain text in a single cell. If you merge multiple cells that each contain data, Excel will keep only the value from the top left cell and remove the rest. Using the correct merge option helps keep your tables clean and prevents accidental data loss.